Hello everyone and welcome to 77 Questions with Chesa Dental Care. This month we have Dr. Raman Kamboj with us. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How about you? All well?
Yeah. Thank you so much sir and thank you so much for your time. Are you ready for 77 questions?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's start this. Where are you from?
From New Delhi, right from the very beginning, brought up in New Delhi only.
Okay, describe Delhi in one word.
Incredible, I can say.
What is your favorite street food from Delhi?
It's pav bhaji.
Best season to visit Delhi?
It's preferably winters and during the month of October and November. There are a lot of tourists and at the popular sites and the landmarks and the bearable temperatures in these months as well.
Okay. Tell us one special childhood memory.
The first day of my school, you can say.
Okay. Favorite माँ के हाथ का खाना?
It's rajma chawal.
Were you a naughty child or a shy child?
I was a shy child.
One thing you miss about being a kid?
Not having any responsibilities, as you can say.
Yeah. Are you an adventurous person?
Sometimes.
Do you like traveling?
Yeah, of course, I like traveling, particularly to the hill stations,
Okay. Your favorite vacation spot?
and that is Dubai.
One activity that you love to do while you are on vacation?
Playing carom and cooking at home.
Okay. Do you like playing sports?
Yeah, I like playing sports.
Which is your favorite sport to play?
Outdoor games, we can say basketball and volleyball.
Okay. Any indoor games that you like?
Yeah, chess and carom board.
Do you follow any workout routine?
Not really. Occasionally, I do some push-ups and pull-ups.
Okay. So as a child, were you more into arts or science?
I was more into science. It's my favorite subject from the very beginning.
Okay. How did you choose to become a dentist?
Ma'am, I had a dream of becoming a cardiologist when I was very young, but unfortunately, during the counseling, all the medical seats are over, so I have to push myself into the dentistry.
Okay. From which college you have done your BDS?
I've done it from Rama Dental College, Kanpur.
Okay. What was your favorite subject in dentistry?
It was endodontics and conservative dentistry.
From which college you have done your MDS?
It's from Darshan Dental College, Udaipur.
One thing you loved about the city Udaipur?
It is a city of lakes, and you can say a city of old heritage hotels and resorts.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful city indeed.
Yeah.
What was the subject of your masters and why did you choose that subject?
It was endodontics. I had a keen interest in this branch from my fourth year onwards in BDS.
Okay. Did you have a favorite teacher in college?
Yeah, I had Dr. Rajendra. He is the head of prosthodontics in Darshan Dental College, from where I had done my MDS.
Okay. So if not dentistry, what would you be doing?
I'll then put myself into the engineering field because I am fond of both the medical and the engineering right from the very beginning. But my more interest was into a medical.
Okay. Moving on to some questions related to your family.
Yeah.
Are you married, sir?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. What does your wife do?
She is a radiologist, oral radiologist, as you can say.
Okay. How is the experience of having a life partner from the same professional field?
Ma'am, indeed, it's she is much of a very understanding nature and very trustworthy person, because being in the same profession, she can better feel the reality when you got engaged into a patient in the late evening hours, and you don't have to say any excuse because she knows that the work profile is that.
Yeah, it's the same. True. Apart from she also being a dentist,
Yeah.
one other favorite thing about your wife?
She is very trustworthy and understanding.
Okay. Do you have children?
Yeah, I had one daughter. She is 1.5 years old only.
Oh, that's sweet. Do you live with your parents?
Yeah, they stay along with us.
Okay. One thing or value that you have learned from your parents?
Ma'am, to respect the human values.
That's true. Do you have siblings?
Yeah, one sister, she is based in Delhi only.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies, if we can say, reading to the scientific fiction books and novels and surfing the stock exchange on net, along with the dental journals and new updates in the dentistry. And if you come across the sports, I like to play the volleyball and the basketball.
Okay, okay. How did you got into scientific fiction books?
Ma'am, actually, right from the very beginning, this scientific fiction, it helps us to reflect on the ways the people interact with each other, with the technology and with the environment.
Yeah, yeah, true. Moving on, your favorite movie or any TV series that you like?
It is a movie Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Okay. How much time do you spend on internet?
Roughly 2 hours, you can say.
Okay. Your current social media obsession, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or YouTube?
Ma'am, all the three, you can say. I'm very less on the Twitter, but Facebook, Instagram, we have our clinic page as well.
Yeah.
And YouTube channel, we are just about to get started. It's my next, you can say, venture to start my own YouTube channel as well.
Okay. Tell us more about your YouTube channel, sir. What would be the content for that?
Ma'am, we'll be more on focusing during this COVID time how to take care of all the precautions, because in this next wave of COVID, which is they are saying that the COVID wave 3 has been started. So
Yeah.
some more guidelines and more precautions, they have to be added on to the precautionary list, you can say. So we'll be focusing on that as well, and we'll be focusing on to moving on to more digital platform in dentistry.
Okay, okay. What are your other hobbies, sir?
Ma'am, other hobbies are, as I have already listed. The other hobbies are just games only, and plus helping my friends as well. In the COVID time also, I had helped them financially also a little bit.
Okay. So your views on giving back to the society?
Ma'am, the best is to give to donate your professional life in a very good manner, and sharing your practical knowledge and your day-to-day skills is a great way to contribute to your social community and to enhance the society overall. And you can also help your friends, family, and the local kids and complete strangers by showing them your practical ways to solve their common problems.
That's a very noble thought, sir. Have you had any mentors in life?
Yeah, I had a mentor in life, because mentor is very important. He can guide you, and plus he won't let you down in any phase of life.
True, true.
He will guide you in very true spirit.
True, sir. Moving on to some questions related to your clinic. Do you have your own clinic?
I had my own clinic in the name of Dr. Raman Dental Wellness Center in New Delhi.
Okay. As per you, what should be the ideal setup for dental clinic?
Ma'am, ideal setup, there should be, you can say, a proper sanitization, proper sterilized environment with a good ergonomic chair, you can say, so that it will take care of your backache, which will be there at the end of the day, because it's a professional hazard which you are encountering. And plus the helping assistant receptions for follow-up the patients.
Yeah. Okay. What are the main factors to keep in mind while purchasing equipments for your dental clinic?
Ma'am, first of all, the equipment should not be a very higher end.
Yeah.
Because its after sales maintenance cost will also be just like that only. Plus the after sales service which you are getting from the any dealer from where you have purchased the equipment, and plus you should be using it in a routine base.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you are using it once in a, you can say in a couple of months, then you can hire it on a rent basis as well.
Yeah.
If you are using it on a daily basis, then you must acquire it. Otherwise, the rent will be very high on daily basis.
Okay. We have heard that you have recently purchased the Runeus intraoral scanner.
Yeah.
Why did you purchase this machine and how is it adding value to your practice?
Ma'am, it's a pure digital equipment which is based on the artificial intelligence. It helps my patient in digitalizing their intraoral records with utmost care, comfort, and it adds a value to my clinic. It helps in educating my patient that being a digital armamentarium in my setup, it will help in the COVID times also, and so that we can prevent them from the impression tray which goes to the lab and come back to the lab after the impression. So we are getting rid of all these equipments now. Only a scanner, mail it to the lab and get your crowns and bridges from there.
Okay. What is your favorite procedure to practice?
I'm very fond of doing RCTs, being a professional endodontist.
Okay. Most challenging case till date and how did you manage?
Doing an RCT in this COVID time in an HIV infected patient that came to my clinic after referring so many dentists who have refused his treatment.
Oh, okay. Any advice to young dental graduates on facing challenging cases?
Ma'am, first of all the young dentists should be advised to believe in you. They should have a good faith in themselves, and they should have very good patience in dentistry and always give your best to your patients.
Okay. Sir, you are also a consultant. How is that experience?
Being a consultant, it adds a lot of experience to my curriculum after treating a patient from different arena, particularly international patient, because I am a visiting consultant in some of the esteemed hospitals where the dental tourism is a lot. So I can counsel the international patient, through which I get to know how the international patient should be done counseling in a better way. And plus the way of treating the international patient and the local patient is totally a different experience.
Okay. How important is continuous learning or studies in a life of a dentist?
The continuous learning platform, it always upgraded you in this dentistry, because you will always inculcate those things in your day-to-day practice and giving your best to the patients as well with more ease and convenience.
Okay. What is your style of learning, sir? Listening or reading or watching videos?
I prefer reading the journals and listening to the YouTube channels of dental. And particularly the more latest innovation in dentistry, we can go to a platform like Expedient, which helps in Delhi in the month of December, where you get to know about the new gadgets which you can inculcate into your practice to make it upgrade.
Yeah, true that, sir. How important is marketing in dentistry?
Marketing is very important because nowadays more of the people, they are searching on the net before arriving at your clinic.
Yeah.
Even if your clinic is at prime location, the prime location will cater only 5 kilometers of the patients.
True.
Who are visiting the area day to day. But distant patient, they get to know only through a digital marketing platform if you do a marketing on the digital media. Have the reviews of all the patient on your social media so that the patient can go through the review section as well.
Okay. So you already said that social media marketing is important. Other than social media marketing, what are the other marketing tools that you use for your promotion?
Ma'am, we have made our own clinic pamphlets, our own clinical cloth bags of near about 8 to 12 inches, which we give to the nearest pharmacists, all the pharmacists in 5 kilometer range, so that they can dispense their medicine in that and in that envelope which you have given, cloth envelope, and that is very durable. All the patients then they can save it to carry the things also, and it doesn't tear in due course of time also.
Yeah, and it's environment friendly also. So
it's very environment friendly, and it saves the paper also because it's made of pure cloth.
Okay, sir. One thing on your bucket list that is something you plan on doing in future.
Starting my own teaching academy to the young dentists and teaching them the new innovative ideas and also teaching them to start introducing themselves also in the digital dentistry platform.
Okay. Biggest achievement of your life.
Biggest achievement, you can say, keeping balance in my life, giving the time to my family, to my patients, to my clinic staff, and to my friends.
What does success mean to you?
Ma'am, success means to live a life happily and to make this world a better place to live in for everyone.
Yeah, that's true. Work-life balance, your thoughts.
Work life means you should give your balanced time to your practice, to your family, and to your friends.
Okay. What is your opinion on the statement that is dentistry bouncing back to pre-COVID days again?
With the you can say it is bouncing back, but with few patients, because still a lot of patients, because in this third wave of COVID they are still reluctant to go to a dentist. But in my practice we are maintaining the social distancing and we are maintaining proper sanitization, so it helps in educating the patient also, and we are making the YouTube video of my own clinic for promotion so that the patient can see the live what is going on in the clinic with all social distancing and precautions.
Okay. We have reached to the last segment of our interview, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
So, any three main qualities to acquire for success in dentistry?
Three main qualities is to believe in yourself, patience, and
Yeah.
acquire good knowledge.
Okay. Few words on your association with Chesa Dental Care.
Chaser Dental Care is really a you can say a good, not even a good, it's an incredible to deal with all the equipments, and after sales service is really very good, very friendly staff, and they take care of your each and every aspect, including if there's any technical issues with the equipment you buy from them. They even take it at an utmost, you can say, after sales service. If there are any technical issues, engineers are there in the late hours of the evening also to help you support with any technical issues. Even I have a very strong, you can say, words with the Dr. Anju ma'am. She is really a very amazing lady in the field. And being in a dental profession also, she helped me a lot in this COVID time when my chair got stuck in the Brazil during the pandemic time. So she got it via ship because airlifting is not possible at that time.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your kind words,
Thanks a lot.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
A short message for our viewers.
Short message is that if you are associated with any digital platform, or you are promoting your practice with any digital platform, be true in your words and show only those facilities which you are doing in your routine practice, because I have come across many dentists who are showing those things which are not inculcated into their practice, and just to boost up the footfall they are showing those fake videos. But you should be very, very true in your field, give your best, and only those best videos which you are doing at your clinic.
Yeah.
So because it is a true professional field, and we must keep it in that platform only, because many doctors, they are now being disgraded due to that, because the videos are showing in the social media in their site, but they are not inculcated in their practice.
Yeah. So
So,
being true and honest to
very
your
true.
work.
The practice should be always based on the true values.
Okay. Moving on to the last question of the interview, sir. Your views on this format of 77 questions interview.
They are nicely formulated questions. You can say very brilliantly formulations, and very that includes all the aspect of the dentist life, including the preschool age, school age, and the professional life and the family life as well.
Yeah.
Truly formulated.
Yeah. So that's about it, sir. Thank you so much for your time. We loved speaking to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thank you for your time, please.